The Inside Book. I wish we could go outside. We can't go outside. There's an invisible enemy out there, a virus that's making people sick. Sometimes it travels from other people in tiny droplets through the air. That's why some people wear masks. Sometimes it's on the things we touch. That's why we wash our hands, often with soap and water. It can even be inside us. That's why we hide our coughs and sneezes so we don't spread it. The virus is too small to see, and people are making each other sick. So we have to keep space between us. Being stuck inside can be lonely, and the virus is scary. We all We're all in this together, though. It's okay to feel sad sometimes. We should tell the adults how we feel and be kind to each other. We all have to stay. We all have to stay inside. So more people don't. Rub nails and fingertips against our palms. Rinse hand with water. Dry on clean towel. We wash our hands for 20 seconds. That's as long as it takes to sing happy birthday twice. So every day it's your left and right hand's birthday. How we catch a cough or sneeze. The virus can be in the tiny droplets of our coughs and sneezes. We don't want to catch them in our hands or it will get on everything we touch. Hide your coughs in your elbow with a dab or catch each them in a tissue and then throw them away. The end.